I think I know why you're here. You want to plant a center island with a high-powered range and want a powerful downdraft to vent it. It's smart to consider a high CFM exhaust for high output cooking. Maybe you saw this set up in a magazine and like the idea of placing your cooking appliances in the middle of your kitchen. In this video, you'll learn why none of them will work as effectively as you might hope. As a bonus, I'll show you some of my better options and ideas for your kitchen, plus the best idea for designing around an island. First, to know why you shouldn't consider a downdraft, let me walk you through the basics of ventilation. Ventilation is divided into 4 key components. CFM stands for cubic feet per minute. How many cubes of air flow through the vent in 1 minute? Downdrafts can vent a significant amount. The maximum of 1500 CFM, that's enough to ventilate one small room of air per minute every minute. Smoke isn't expelled the moment it reaches your vent. It needs to be captured before being vented. This is why you see such large hoods in restaurant kitchens. Capture is best defined by the height, width, and depth of your hood. Downdrafts with a 2-inch slit have virtually no capture area, which makes them ineffective for higher output cooking. The ideal ducting follows gravity, guiding the smoke where it naturally wants to go, straight up. Short horizontal runs straight back are also acceptable. However, downdrafts direct smoke downward against gravity and requires an elbow joint to transition therefore, which reduces efficiency. Most downdrafts also need longer ducting runs, reducing the airflow. It's not a new issue, really. The cooking process emits potentially harmful compounds like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, formaldehyde, and particulate matter, as well as the grease and smoke that you can see. Think about it. You're trying to reverse all of that through a tiny aperture with a long duct run, often with at least one elbow. That's a problem. The issue is further exacerbated because front burners have nearly doubled in power since I started at Yale in 1986. The 8,000 BTU my mom used is now 15 to 22,000 BTUs on a typical gas range. Meanwhile, homes today are far more energy efficient, designed to keep indoor air in and outdoor air out. As a result, you're breathing these compounds for longer. Overhead hoods have the proper capture area and can be placed over a range or range top. An overhead hood is far superior to a downdraft for capturing the exhaust with a shorter duct run. Island hoods were poorly designed when I started in 1986. The Europeans changed that. Best, Zephyr, and Faber now manufacture beautiful hoods in a variety of sizes. You can even design your own hood. Simply buy a liner, controls, and blowers. It may sound complicated, but it's not. You've probably seen this set up in a magazine. It looks great. No sight lines are blocked by the hood, and you can entertain guests while cooking in an island. Think about it. Downdrafts promote themselves as splash guards for grease, but if you do a lot of high volume cooking, grease will splatter everywhere. There's a better way to design your kitchen. Start with the sink. Best appliance to place on your island is your sink, not your cooktop. You'll use it the most, seriously. You can even install it in an entertainment sink like a galley in the center, which comes with every possible accessory to turn it into a workstation. Downdrafts are one of the many hoods you should never buy in your kitchen. Click this video if you want to learn about what vents to avoid, and thanks for watching.